our clothes. Fibers obtained from plants. We get fibers from plants like cotton, banana, coconut, hemp, jute, agave, etc. Cotton cloth is made from cotton fibers. In summer, it is good to wear thin cotton clothing. It helps to protect us from the sun's heat. Thick, coarse cloth like sacking is made from fibers of hemp, jute, etc. Hemp fibers are used to make ropes of various thickness and also to weave sackcloth. Fibers obtained from animals. Many animals have thick coats of hair. We get fibers or wool from this coat. Wool is made mostly from the fleece of sheep. Woolen clothes are warm and are therefore used in winter. Rough and thick blankets are also woven from woolen fibers. We get silk yarn from silkworms. Silk cloth is fine and has sheen. Artificial fibers. We use clothes made from fabrics like nylon, rayon, terylene, polyester, etc. The fibers from which these fabrics are made were discovered in the laboratory. These fibers are called artificial fibers. Cloth made from these fibers is shiny and durable. It is light in weight and easy to clean. Care of clothes. It is important to take good care of the clothes we wear. Dust and sweat spoil our clothes, so we must wash them with soap. We must always wear clothes that are neat and clean. We must not wear tight clothes. Loose clothes are comfortable and allow good ventilation around the body. Torn clothes should be mended at once. Why do we wear clothes? Like food and shelter, clothes are also one of man's basic necessities. The yarn needed for cloth is obtained from cotton, silk, jute, wool, or from chemical substances. We use clothes to cover ourselves. You know that clothes protect us from the sun, wind, rain, and cold. The clothes we wear depend upon the climate of the place we live in. In winter, we wear warm woolen clothes so that we do not feel cold. In the south, where it is not very cold, the people wear loose cotton clothes like lungis. In cold regions like Kashmir, people use mostly warm woolen clothes. In regions which have hot summers or which have a humid climate, people mostly wear cotton clothes. In hot desert areas like Rajasthan, wide and flowing garments are worn which give protection from the sun and sand. In our country, men wear lungis, kurtas, dhotis or trousers and shirts to suit the climate. Women wear saris or salwar kameez. As the salwar kameez covers the entire body, it is a popular dress both in cold and hot regions. This is how clothes should be. Whatever the type of clothes we wear, they should fit us properly. They should look Neat. We should not wear very tight clothes. Loose clothes are airy and protect us from skin diseases, sweat, or bad odors. Never wear clothes belonging to others. If for some reason you have to do so, they should be first washed clean and dried in the sun, because unclean clothes can cause skin diseases by infection. In hot or humid regions or in the summer, sweat is a great nuisance. If sweat is not absorbed, it can cause prickly heat and other skin diseases. Cotton clothes absorb sweat. You see people around you engaged in many different occupations. Have you ever observed the details of their dresses? A worker in a factory wears overalls, which is a one-piece garment that covers the body from the neck to the feet and fits the body closely. This is to prevent any loose ends from causing accidents while working near a machine or near a fire. Use of fire-resistant clothes. People working in factories near machines or furnaces are exposed to the danger of fire. To give protection from fire, their clothes are made from fire-resistant materials. Soldiers' clothes. Soldiers move about in various kinds of places such as plains, jungles, mountains, river valleys, or very cold regions. They need clothes made from strong yarn. Such clothes are durable. Soldiers' clothes are of colors that match their surroundings. This helps to give them protection. Rainwear. As the clothes of divers and of people who work on ships are constantly in contact with water, they are made from special water-repellent materials. This makes them more durable. We use raincoats and other rainwear in the rainy season. They are made from rubber or plastic, which are also water-repellent. Handlooms. Looms are used to weave cloth from yarn. Earlier, hand looms were used. In a hand loom, the shuttle is manually flicked from side to work the loom. This helps to weave the yarns together. These yarns are called the warp and the weft. Even today, cloth is woven on hand looms in some places. For example, Karanji. Weaving cloth on hand looms is expensive, time-consuming, and laborious work. That is why now power looms are preferred and hand looms are going out of use. With the help of power looms, fabric is woven on a large scale using several yarns in a short time and with less effort.